How to clear cache on Pinterest. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the pins you created. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Settings. Here, go to Privacy and Data. Scroll down to the end and tap on Clear App Cache. You have now successfully cleared your app cache. Following these steps, you can easily clear cache on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.